Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how you can use GradeTransfer to grab your student grades from McGraw Hill Aleks so that you can transfer it over to your district gradebook. Let's get started. I'm going to walk you through 3 different places where you can grab student data from Aleks. So the first is in your gradebook. When you are on this page, GradeTransfer will automatically grab from the total column all of your students' names and their total percent. Let's take a look. Just open up GradeTransfer, click the big green grab data button, and your students' names and scores will be retrieved from the page. You can take this and transfer it into your gradebook. Now, if you want to transfer grades for a particular assignment instead of their total score, you can click on the header of that assignment and select Edit Student Scores. In this view, let me just clear my briefcase, you can click Grab Data and you will get your students' scores for that particular assignment retrieved so that you can transfer it into your gradebook. Now, these scores are as points. You can also grab them as a percent in a different view. Go to Reports and then Assignments. And from here, you can open up to view any of your assignments. And in this view, you can choose either percent or points. So whichever one you want to grab, make sure it's visible, and then also make sure that your students' names are visible. Don't have login, ID, or email selected, just name. From here, go to GradeTransfer, let me clear, click Grad Data, and once again, your students' names and their scores for the assignment will be retrieved so you can transfer it. If your student grades do not transfer on the first try, we will want to check and see if student names in Aleks appear the same way that they do in your filling gradebook. It's important to point out that in Aleks, the student's middle initials are visible by default in your gradebook. If your filling gradebook does not have students with middle initials or middle names visible, then we'll just need to make a quick tweak before we can use GradeTransfer. One option is to go into Aleks and actually remove middle initials from the student information. Another option is to go into your filling gradebook and adjust the view settings so that student middle initials or middle names are visible. Then they can match. The last one is to use GradeTransfer's name discrepancy fixer to set up name matching rules so that GradeTransfer knows how to match up the 2 slightly different variations of the name. If this video helped you, share it with a fellow teacher so they can save time and avoid typos too. That's all for now. Happy transferring.